Okay, go. Hello, hi. This is Leo from Inside Leo's Mind, the blogger, the reviewer. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make fish balls. It's okay. To make fish balls, you need this. It's the blue caraco. Blue caraco. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right. Malibu coconut liquor. Let's see, what's this thing? Vodka. My favorite drink, one of my favorite drinks, Sprite. Okay, the recipe calls for Swedish fish, but we don't have Swedish fish. You can substitute it with gummy sharks here, if you want. Or you can use any gummy candy if you want. So right now, let's begin. First step, you need a shot of vodka into this jar.
Two shots.
And another shot here. Here's another shot here. Poured it there.
Malibu.
A shot of Malibu. Here's a shot of Malibu. Into the jar it goes. Here, listen to that noise. What's it called?
This is blue cacao.
The blue cacao. Look at this beautiful blue. Yes! That's what you want to see. What I want to see. Just blue as the ocean. A tropical ocean. To make it even more beautiful, add Sprite. Okay, that's good. Even more beautiful, looking like the ocean. That's it. Now pour it. Now serve. There you have it. Your homemade fish bowl. Enjoy as much as you can, but don't drink too much. Delicious. I totally recommend this if you're gonna celebrate a birthday or anything like that. I'd recommend this drink. So enjoy and follow me on Inside Leo's Mind. Like and subscribe.